Best range hoods for Indian cooking. Number 1. Brownutone 413004. When it comes to improving ventilation and lighting in your kitchen, the Brownutone 413004 stainless steel hood insert stands out as a high-quality option. Designed with a non-duct filtration system, this range hood insert effectively eliminates smoke and odors, creating a fresher cooking environment. One of the standout features of the Brownutone range hood insert is its effective incandescent lighting. Equipped with a protective lamp lens, this insert ensures even distribution of light over your cooktop. The lighting enhances your cooking experience, providing you with clear visibility while you prepare your favorite meals. The hood accepts up to a 75W bulb, allowing you to customize the brightness according to your needs. Maintaining a clean and fresh kitchen is effortless with the Brownutone range hood insert. The replaceable charcoal filter ensures optimum grease capture, effectively preventing buildup over time. This feature not only enhances the performance of the insert but also contributes to the overall cleanliness of your cooking space. Say goodbye to lingering cooking odors and hello to a kitchen that remains inviting. Simplicity meets functionality with the separate rocker switches that control the light and the 2-speed fan. Adjusting the lighting and ventilation according to your preferences is easy and convenient, allowing you to focus on your cooking without any distractions. The intuitive controls make this range hood insert suitable for cooks of all skill levels. The Brownutone 413004 range hood insert is designed to fit seamlessly into your kitchen setup. With a measurement of 30-inch, it offers an ideal size that effectively covers your cooking area. For optimal performance, the insert should be installed at least 18-inch above the cooktop. This placement ensures efficient smoke and odor removal while maintaining safety standards. Number 2. Cosmocos QS75. In the world of modern kitchen appliances, a reliable and efficient range hood is essential for maintaining a clean and comfortable cooking environment. The Cosmo COS QS75 stands out as a top-notch choice, combining powerful performance, innovative features, and an elegant design. One of the standout features of the Cosmo is its impressive 500 CFM airflow capacity. This ensures that your kitchen is quickly and effectively ventilated, eliminating smoke, odors, and airborne particles with ease. Unlike competing range hoods, the COS QS75 operates without the intrusive noise often associated with kitchen ventilation. Equipped with twin centrifugal motors and a 4-speed fan, it strikes a perfect balance between power and silence, creating a serene cooking atmosphere. Maintenance is a breeze with the Cosmo COS QS75, thanks to its ArcFlow stainless steel permanent filters. These filters are not only dishwasher safe, making cleaning a hassle-free task, but they're also built to last. Additionally, for those looking to go ductless, the range hood can be converted with the carbon filter kit, offering flexibility to suit your kitchen's specific setup. Cosmo takes pride in crafting premium kitchen appliances using the latest technology, and the COS QS75 range hood is no exception. The unit seamlessly blends cutting-edge features with meticulous attention to detail, resulting in a range hood that not only elevates your kitchen's aesthetics but also simplifies your cooking and cleaning experiences. Number 3. IKTCH36. When it comes to efficient smoke and odor removal from your kitchen, the IKTCH36 under cabinet range hood is a standout choice. Packed with innovative features and an elegant design, this range hood is designed to elevate both the functionality and aesthetics of your cooking space. Equipped with dual motors and balanced fans, the IKTCH36 range hood boasts an impressive 900 CFM airflow capacity. This means it can efficiently and effectively remove large amounts of smoke and cooking odors from the air in your kitchen. With improved air quality as a result, you can cook without worrying about lingering odors or poor ventilation. Crafted from 1 mm thick full stainless steel housing, the IKTCH36 under cabinet range hood exudes both durability and style. The clear LED screen and intuitive control panel not only add to its elegant appearance but also provide easy access to various settings. What truly sets this range hood apart is the novel gesture sensing function, offering you a new level of hassle-free control. Additionally, a remote control is included for added convenience. Illuminate your culinary creations with the IKTCH30XS energy-saving LED lights. With two 3W LED lights, you can adjust the intensity settings to match your cooking needs. Number 4. Photo Pixie Air UQS 3001. When it comes to creating a seamless and enjoyable cooking experience, a reliable range hood is an indispensable kitchen companion. The Photal Air UQS 3001 takes kitchen ventilation to new heights, offering a perfect blend of power, quiet operation, advanced technology, and elegant design. In this review, we explore the standout features that make the Air UQS 3001 a must-have addition to any modern kitchen. The Photal Air UQS 3001 is a true powerhouse, boasting a maximum static pressure of 350 and an astonishingly low noise level of as little as 37 dB. This impressive feat is achieved through Photal's proprietary Whispower aerodynamic technologies, which not only enhance suction power but also reduce energy consumption. With the ability to reach up to 800 CFMs, this range hood effortlessly covers an area of 6 square feet or a cooktop with 4 to 6 burners, ensuring a fresh and inviting kitchen environment. With the Air range hood, Photal introduces an innovative air management system that goes beyond conventional ventilation. This system is equipped to automatically detect and eliminate harmful organic gases and noxious fumes, effectively safeguarding your home's air quality. This advanced feature ensures that your kitchen remains a safe and pleasant space for both cooking and living. Cooking is an art, and the right lighting plays a pivotal role in perfecting it. The Air UQS 3001 excels in this regard, featuring 600 LUX dual-level LED lights that provide soft and vibrant illumination. These lights not only beautifully illuminate your cooking area but also showcase your culinary creations in their true colors, enhancing both your cooking process and your dining experience. Thanks for watching. We have included product link in the description. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.